So before I even get started building this tote, I wanted to make a template. Something that would allow me to figure out the proper angles, how much room I wanted to leave at the top for the handle, where I wanted to place the handle hole and how big it would be, and also the joinery. I know I don't want to use any kind of construction screw or nail or anything like that. I just wanted to use something simple. So I decided to use a couple dominoes. I'm going to use 3 dominoes on each end. And I'm not sure if I'm going to cut these flush or keep them proud yet. I sort of like how they look proud. Might be neat. I chose to use 1/2-inch Baltic Birch for this because it's nice and light. I don't want something super heavy, and I think 3/4 would just be real heavy. For the bottom, I'll rabbet it in and use 1/4 inch. It's going to be plenty strong enough. Should be fun. I really love building this because it's just a classic design. For the construction, I used 1/2-inch Baltic Birch. The handle is Birdseye Maple that I had left over from the growth chart project that I did. Make sure to check out that video if you haven't seen it. And the handle itself floats in here on this tenon. I used some walnut pins to hold it in place. And then on the joinery here, I used dominoes and glue. I left the dominoes proud of the surface. I hadn't done that before and I thought it looked good. For the finish, I used General Finishes milk paint. We started off with black and then I put Tuscan red on top of that and then dark chocolate on top of that. It's nice and streaky and it matches the tack lacquer perfectly. This is a project that could easily be done in a day and would also make a great project to introduce your kids into woodworking. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next project.